Namaskar and welcome back. Last time we built the courtroom, one principal bench, 31 state benches, 45 locations. But here is the twist nobody expect. Which bench actually hear your appeal has almost nothing to do with where your business is registered. Stay till the end because your GST case can land in a state you have never even worked in. In previous video, we mapped out the benches. Today, we answer the real question. Which one is yours? Territorial jurisdictions isn't decided by your registration address. It is decided by the location of First Appellate Authority, the FAA, that passed the original order. Take Gujarat again. Ahmedabad covers Central and North Gujarat. Surat covers the South and Rajkot covers Saurashtra and Kutch. So the bench you appear before depends on which officer's order you are appealing, not your company's PIN code. Now the second dimension, which is subject matter. And this list is huge. It includes classification disputes, is it 12% or 18%, valuation, related party transactions, pure agent exclusion, input tax credit, block credit, fake invoices, reversal, etc. Then demand and recovery under section 73 and 74, refunds, registration cancellations, penalties under section 122 to 126, detention and seizure under section 129, confiscation under section 130, transitional credit, Tran 1, Tran 2 and more. Basically, if the First Appellate Authority passed an order on it, GST Appellate Tribunal can hear the appeal. But 5 categories skip every state bench entirely and go straight to New Delhi. Matters related to place of supply, online information database access and retrieval services OIDAR, online money gaming, input service distributor cases and anti-profiteering. Now the question is why? Because these disputes decide which state gets the GST revenue or whether it is IGST or CGST SGST. That is a call too big for one state to make alone, so the law has centralized it. The principal bench can also pull in identical law questions pending across multiple state benches if recalled by the President. And next, just as important, what GST Appellate Tribunal cannot touch. No original adjudication, no first appeal under section 107, no criminal prosecution can be done by the Appellate Tribunal, no constitutional challenges as these go to the High Courts, and under section 121 specifically 4 kinds of departmental orders cannot be appealed to GST Appellate Tribunal at all. These are transferring a cases between officers, seizing your books and documents, sanctioning a prosecution, or letting someone pay tax in installments. So the key takeaways are GST Appellate Tribunal jurisdiction runs on 2 tracks. Number 1, territorial, decided by where the First Appellate Authority sits, not where you are registered. And second, subject matter, covering nearly every GST dispute except 5 categories reserved exclusively for the principal bench in Delhi. If this cleared exactly where your case will be heard, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned. Next we go inside the appeal itself.